Problems with data migration. Data migration is the task of transferring data between an outdated system and a newer system. So one of the problems that can occur, all of these problems are problems caused by people. So like what you can do before rather than the computer's problems during the actual process. So if the data before is wrong, obviously the data afterwards is going to be wrong. So if, like we said earlier with Antonio's last name, if they put it in wrong, then he won't be accepted as a user of the system. So before, when analyzing the data, you can only be transferring a small amount rather than all of your data. So actually I did this a couple of days ago. I tried to transfer Java from my laptop to my PC, and I just thought I could get the folder with Java, but then obviously all the data had been scattered from like the thing from Oculus Online. What's it called?
You mean Oracle?
Yeah, Oracle, not Oculus. Sorry. And lack of integrated processes. So using technologies that aren't compatible. So if you were trying to transfer data between a Windows and a Mac, there could be issues because they aren't compatible. So lack of collaboration is that if you are transferring large amounts of data between companies, and the different companies are using different technologies, so once again they are not compatible. And then they aren't communicating either, so that they can't fix any problems that they are having. Inappropriate use of expertise is that you can only be using data experts, like you have to be using them the whole way through rather than only at the end, in case there are any issues during the process of transferring data.